In this video, I want to talk about how you can set up your social feed and connect with traders on eToro. Now the first step is you want to make sure that you complete your profile 100%. So you can see mine is only 80%. So you want to click on your account and you want to make sure that you complete it fully. Now what this means is you're going to add a profile picture. You're going to do all the security things with your phone and all this stuff. Once that is completed, you want to press on home. Then from in here, just scroll down a little bit and you can see that you will be able to make a post. So what I suggest you do is you post something every single day, and you will also go onto these other people. You're gonna make some comments on what they're saying, just to make some connections, and you're gonna go and make sure you like everything. You click on their profile and you can follow them if you want to. And to do this, what this will do is all these people will then start to know you. They might like you back. They might start commenting. And this is a great way to build your profile. So that is basically how you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.